gotta step outside for this one because I don't know where you from or what the weather's been like, but it's been cold here in Delaware and the weather has changed. It's been 80 degrees this week, a few days in a row. That means it's our time. If you got a t-shirt business and you're not making the money you want to make and you haven't been making the money, you need to be figuring it out right now because this is our time to shine. Most people want to take vacations during the summer. Most people want to go away with their friends, but this is our time to put that work in so we can hibernate all winter. In this video, we about to have that conversation. Y'all know I'm passionate about you guys making money, so let's get to it right after the intro. Okay, let's jump right into it. But before we do, you guys know that you do for me. I need you to like this video, comment, subscribe, do all of that good stuff because I make videos like this all the time. Yes, I mean all the time. And for you guys out there who don't already know who I am, how you guys doing? My name is Stan Bates from T-Shirt Side Hustle, and I help people start t-shirt businesses from home, wherever you at. And like I said, man, listen. I don't know where you're from, right? If you're from the South, it already been warm. You should have already been thriving. If you're from the North like me, I'm from here in Delaware, it's been freezing. But the last 3 days, it's been 80. I done took my maid blanks off. I done put my circle clothing French terry on. I done changed the wardrobe, been walking around. It's been feeling really, really nice. And that tells me that this is our time to thrive. If you're not making the money you want to make in your t-shirt business, now is the time that you get to figure it out. People are coming out, clothing brands are coming out. They're gonna need shirts for all types of events and different occasions. It's a lot cheaper on their pockets, which means they're gonna be coming in the doors. I got some work to do right now, but I wanted to bring you this motivational message. So listen, if you got machines, I got so many messages about machines being in boxes people have for years and not actually using them. If you got heat presses and different things that you haven't taken out the box because you don't know how to use them, it is the time right now. I am so sick and tired of getting those types of messages. Not because it's you guys, but just because I want you guys into this industry, thriving and making money. Listen, my first 5 years on the internet, I said, yo, I'm going to bring as many people into this industry as I possibly can. And I did that. I came in the game. I said, listen, if you could put a 6-foot portable table anywhere in your house, in your bedroom, in your kitchen, in your living room, you can start a print shop and you can make an extra money. Remember, I got into this to help people make $300, $500, $1,000 extra a month so that the bills can hit a lot less. And I know you can take it a lot further. I just wanted to spark your mind. But now that we got so many people into the industry and there's abundance of information on how to make stuff, unboxing, what to buy next, I'm saying, okay, cool. What am I going to go out here and do now, right? Because I want people making money. I don't want y'all spending money and not getting no return. At least do enough to make your money back. But some of you guys aren't doing that. So I put together a course. I put together a masterclass. I put together a network of people that are going to buy in, that are going to pay attention, that are going to lock in, and that are going to put their head down and go on their way to success. That's right. I know your friends want to go travel. I know your friends want to take the weekend off. They want to go to the beach. But right now, this is our time. This is our time to put our heads down so that we can go and travel in the winter. We can go make all of the money right now. And when it get cold again, we can go to where it's hot, right? Normally, it's the opposite way around. Everybody want to go out wise. It's just not our luxury. It's not our luxury. So you in this business, you got to understand. You're going to get a little bit of fun in there, a little bit of travel. But this is our time to put the money away so that we can hibernate during the winter. So if you want to get in and you want to learn how to grow your t-shirt business, whether it's no matter what equipment, it don't even matter, whatever equipment you have, we want to put the fundamental principles in place so that you can do business well. So this Sunday, I put together a masterclass called 6 Feet to 6 Figures. We're going to take that 6-foot print shop that we started about earlier, and we're going to go ahead and put it together so that we can go to 6 figures. Listen, I got some case studies that are going to blow your mind. I know some people who started from very, very humble beginnings, exactly like the way I'm talking about, and that missed the mark to $1 million. And they hustled their way all the way there. This ain't my words. This ain't my words. They hustled their way to pretty much 7 figures. I know I can help you make $1 million. I know I can help you make 100K. I know we can get there, but it's all going to depend on the work that you want to put in. So I'm making this first class very, 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 very special. It's accessible to everybody. Listen, you guys can go out here and you can go click the link down in the description below and you can pay what you want to be a part of this class this Sunday. I got the email list going. I run into some problems. Forget it. We just going to do it the old fashioned way. If you want to be a part, Sunday, 6 o'clock, this class is going down. 6 feet to 6 figures is the blueprint to a 6-figure print shop. Come to class. Let's join. Let's have conversation. I'm looking forward to seeing you guys there. Listen, I'm telling you right now, I'm getting close because this is important. Listen to me closely. It is our time. You can do that. I'm pretty sure there's going to be some 6-figure printers this summer, but they got to put the work in just like you got to put the work in. You're going to get out of it what you put into it. That's all I got to say. I'm done helping people who don't want to be helped. So if you want to help yourself, you want to be helped, make sure you sign up for the course, pay what you want. Me and my team are looking forward to coming to see you guys in this course. This has been your boy Stan Banks from T-Shirt Side Hustle. Peace.
The T-Shirt Side Hustle team would like to give a huge shout out to its contributing members.